Another year on YouTube, eh? It's been what, like 1 or 2? What, 5 already? Well, hello there, I'm Détroit. 5 years on YouTube. I think it's time for kind of a recap on the whole 5 years and the evolution of this channel. 5 years in 5 minutes. You know, so it's all rounded up and nice. Anyway, it's always strange this time of year. I mean, I reflect on the last year and I always have mixed feelings about it. First, it reminds me that I'm getting older. I'm 28 now, and I was 23 when I started my YouTube channel. I was a young pup, almost out of engineering school, and now I have a doctorate. I have some grey hair now. Like, not everywhere on my head, but still, I have grey hair. So yeah, the feeling about time passing is mixed. Don't get me wrong, I am feeling the best of my life at the moment. And this also takes into account where I am with my art. And so I would like to preface what I'm going to say with the fact that I am fully happy with my situation. I am not bitter, and what I'm gonna say are facts, not opinions, and I'm still okay with that. After 5 years of this, my conclusion is the following. I am not good at YouTube. I can admit that freely. I've said it before and I'll say it again. In 5 years of about 1 video per week, only 2,300 people have deemed my work good enough to subscribe. That's one thing. Another thing is that more people would maybe find my work engaging if I was better at promoting it, doing search engine optimization, be active on Instagram, Twitter, Blue Sky, and so on. I don't have an exact statistic about it, but I'm pretty sure people who have been producing content for 5 years have either made it big or given up. I'm the rare in-between, where I continue to produce regular content, and I don't know, there's not much evolution. So yeah, 5 years, 344 videos, 217,000 views total. It's not that bad, but it's really not great. And the thing is, the more this continues, the more I will take it as a challenge. I want to make something out of this humble channel of mine. I don't need to, but I want to. If it takes 5 more years, so be it. But in all seriousness, please don't let it take 5 more years. Do help me, tell people about my work, share it with your aunt on Facebook, I don't know, do something. But yeah, 5 years, it's an insane journey. It's grown with me, always in the background of my life. And even if I complain about the lack of success of my artistic endeavor, I really love doing it. I love drawing, I love making videos, and for the small amount of feedback I do receive, I'm really glad it connects with some of you. And so here's to 1 more year. Thank you.